Hello everyone, welcome back to the second video on movement exercise. Today we will focus on oval exercise. Oval is a very common element in cursive handwriting. Among the 26 letters, about 10 of them have oval-based structure, while the rest of the letters all have some kind of entry or exit strokes that are part of oval. And the purpose of oval exercise is to help you easily produce those shapes in a consistent way. For today's video, I prepared 8 exercises in the order of increasing difficulty. First, let me talk about how each exercise should be done. Then after I finish talking, I will do all the exercises from the beginning to the end. So if you know what I'm going to talk about, you may skip directly to the complete recording. For the first exercise, you'll simply trace the oval between the ascender and descender in the counterclockwise direction, while try to maintain a correct slant. For the next exercise, just reverse the first exercise in the clockwise direction. You should not deliberately try to press your pencil into paper. Simply let your pencil glide freely without any pressure. Next, trace the oval 5 to 10 times and stop when your hands become steady or the oval becomes too messy. Repeat the same exercise in the opposite, clockwise direction. For the next exercise, start with the same tracing motion, but when your hands become steady, directly jump to the next empty spot and start tracing again. Repeat doing so until you can no longer move your hands to the right. And don't forget to do the same exercise in the opposite, clockwise direction. When doing this exercise, you should be especially careful that all of your ovals should be sitting on the correct slant. For the last exercise, start by tracing the oval, but continuously move your hand to the right to produce a series of evenly spaced ovals. If you find this exercise too difficult, you might want to repeat the earlier exercise several times before trying it again. To begin with, try to produce 5 to 10 evenly spaced ovals. And don't forget to do the same exercise in the opposite direction. Thank you for watching. Now I'm going to play the complete recording of all the exercises mentioned earlier. You might want to just leave the video on as you practice and put on some music of your own choice.
you.